Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically the video that I'll be doing today is just basically show you guys how I've been earning cryptocurrency passively just by holding my cryptocurrency at an exchange and maybe staking it or earning yield. So yes guys, because the market is basically going down, I feel like it's the best way to just earn a little bit more on my cryptocurrency while just trading less. Um yeah. So that's what it is. So basically I'm gonna show you guys. So the first one I have is in my Coinbase account. So I'm just gonna go straight to my Coinbase account, show you guys what's going on there. So yes guys, so um before I get into everything guys, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing and subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. So yes guys, so also guys, if you're new to my channel, basically what I do here is just share with you guys, or I earn a little on the side by using money making app, get paid to size and investments app, also trading cryptocurrency and all of that. So let's get straight into it. So on my Coinbase account, you see they have a tab here that says earn, and once you go into the tab that says earn, they have a some cryptocurrency that they basically offer a yield on. So basically, if you hold these cryptocurrency, you will be able to earn some on it. And as you guys can see, I'm holding some right there. And this is just basically what I have earned from holding this these um these cryptocurrency right here. So as you guys can see, my top earning was 50 cents. Then I earned 22 cents, 21 cents, 14 cents, 6 cents, and also 14 cents and $1. So that's basically all I've been earning. So yes guys. So they do have two extra to their list that they just recently added, which is Polkadot and also um the Ethereum Coinbase WAP. So that's what it is. So yes guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to my next exchange that I basically use and show you guys how I'm earning over there as well. So my next exchange is called um Wealthsimpletrade. So in my Wealthsimpletrade account, guys, I do not have a lot of cryptocurrency, but I do stake a little bit. So as you guys can see right over here, I just started a staking car um I just started staking Cardano and Solana. I have a stake Ethereum before, so that's why you see I have a 70 5 cents earning there. But I actually go ahead and sell my Ethereum now. I'm loading up back on my Ethereum. Um, so yeah, so I think that Ethereum is holding very strong, and being that it hasn't have a bull run, and that's why that is the reason why I haven't stake it, because if it does have a like a run up, I do want to go ahead and sell my position and take my earnings up before start staking. So that's what it is. Because when you stake, you actually lock up your account, and you have to know the risk too of staking. So I'm just sharing everything with you. This is not financial advice. So yes guys. So okay, the next app that I want to share with you that I do hold and have some earnings on is called Sweatcoin. So in my Sweat wallet, I do have a two holdings here. So if I go to my portfolio, I have some sweats. My aim is to have around a thousand sweat in the upcoming bull market, where we have a new all-time high. For me, I just want to have 1,000 or more sweats. So yes guys, I have some near also. So yes guys, but I'm only staking the sweat. So as you guys can see here, basically I have my um my staking right here. I have my jars. So how much is in my jar? 394 .17. And this is how I've been earning. So you can see right there, I've been earning like that. And so that's what it is right now, guys. So yes. So basically how you earn sweat by growing it. So you basically place them in a jar. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of jars that I basically open. So I don't open it on, like, I open in like 6 months, 3 months. I don't open like one steady um jar. I open different level of jars. So I'm always having earnings every now and then, and I'm also reinvesting my earnings and also my my cryptocurrency that I'm making, so my space that I'm making. So that's basically how I do it. So yes. So the next app that I want to share with you is called Newton. So yeah. So in my Newton account, I have a little bit of cryptocurrency also. I just wanna say this to you guys. All the cryptocurrency that I have, the little that I have, I get them from money making apps. So whenever I have a money making apps that offer me cryptocurrency, I will go ahead and take out it in cryptocurrency. Or I will go ahead and take out it in the PayPal money. Then I will transfer that PayPal money to my account. Then I will use that account to send to my um platform that I trade on, and then I will go ahead and buy that asset, and then I will start. So that's basically how I do it. So yes, guys. So it's just like a snowball effect that's going round and round and round. So that's what it is, guys. So yeah. So I'm gonna go into my saving. As you guys can see, I have already made 60 cents right here. These are the token that I was holding. So I hold these and I earn a little bit from them. So as you guys can see, I've earned in the Nox token, I have earned 23 cents right there. Um, Avalanche, I have earned 4 cents, and the Litecoin 20 cents, and the US dollar 11 cents. So that's basically what it is. So yes, guys. So now I'm holding because I prep my account for the long term, basically the long term investment, the long term where I'm just holding these until the next all time I God spared my life. So because I've done that, or I have a different portfolio. So now in my portfolio, as you guys can see, I have Ethereum, Bitcoin, um Optimum, and I have the Nox token, and I also have Bitcoin Cash. The only one that is leaving right here is Litecoin, and I will go ahead and uh purchase that or transfer that here and start earning. So these are the way how I earn. Remember, guys, there is a risk to losing your cryptocurrency while doing while staking, so you have to know the risk. Also, whenever you're staking in some of these platform, you are unable to um unstake when you want. So it's like you have to join a line. So when you press unstake, you have to wait for um a time before your cryptocurrency will be unstake. So just to keep all that into consideration, if you're decided to go ahead and um go on this journey. So yes, guys, remember, not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I do. So yeah. So that's basically everything right there. As you guys can see, I don't have a lot in my account. I just have a $26 account on Nexo. So yeah. So that's what it is, guys. I see I've shared with you 4 um platform that I basically just hold my cryptocurrency and stake them. Also, yeah, I will be doing some more, so my portfolio will increase, and also I will be staking more tokens. So stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. So before I go, I just want to say, guys, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. And guys, do enjoy the video. I hope you guys are finding this content valuable, and I hope also you have been liking the background that I've been cooking some nice food and doing some chores. I just decided to do the video like that, so you just have a little bit of entertainment and the background. So yes, guys. So guys, before I go again, I just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.